I've seen my share of security breaches, but nothing quite like this. We're about to uncover a story that reads like a spy thriller, but carries very real consequences. Picture a secure facility, its perimeter guarded by state-of-the-art technology. Yet, the greatest threat isn't trying to break in, it's already inside. Meet Catherine Perez-Shakdam, who allegedly infiltrated Iran's highest government circles as a Mossad agent. Her actions culminated in June 2025, when her intelligence reportedly enabled precise Israeli attacks on Iranian facilities. But insider threats aren't limited to international espionage. Australia's Information Security Manual highlights how risky behaviors in trusted roles, like late-night access or using personal USBs, can signal an insider threat. Remember, trust is not a control. Watch the inside.